Hey, it's Joette with BalloonCoach.com, and today I want to show you how to access your member area and manage things. So when you're on BalloonCoach.com, you're going to go to Login, and after you push Login, the screen will come up for you to put in the email address that you purchased your BalloonCoach.com program from and your password, and then click Login. If you ever forget your password, put in the email address you purchased with and then click Send Password, and the system will send it to you. If you ever do that and do not hear back, then you email my virtual assistant, contact@BalloonCoach.com. So again, if you need extra help, contact@BalloonCoach.com. Now, when you're on your member dashboard, you'll have everything that you have purchased. So you'll see different icons pop up depending on what you've purchased. But if you want to go into your account and figure out if you currently owe money, if you need to pay your invoice so that you have access to your account, because sometimes this will say suspended, no access, you can go into your account and change the information within it. So as you go into your account, you can go and update your contact info. We ask for all Balloon Coach members of Mastermind, Pro Course, coming to our summit, or purchasing our downloads to go in and make sure that your first name, last name, email address, company, street address, billing zip code, your birthday, all that information is correct, and hit submit so that we have all that information for you. Also, if you want to change your password, you can go right here and change password and put in the information of what you would like it to be. And then if you are needing to pay an invoice, you can look at your past invoices to see what you have paid in the past or if something is currently due. And then you can go in and you can update your information for your credit card. So add new credit card or update your existing information. You can go right in there and put your information to update your account. So I wanted to make sure that you are aware that all of this information is here for you. And then no matter what program you're in, you'll be able to access the information here. So if you're a Balloon Boss Mastermind member, you can access those downloads and the information within that program. If you're a part of our Balloon Boss Pro course, you'll see that self-study guide there. If you have purchased other downloads, you'll have access to that information. And then also, if you're coming to any of our live events, you'll be able to access that information back here from your dashboard. And if you're ever in your dashboard and you don't see your account information, just hover on My Dashboard and then go down and click the My Account. And you're able to view your subscriptions, see any changes that you need to make with your credit card, your past invoice, and to know when your next subscription payment is coming due. I'm Joette with BalloonCoach.com, and anytime you want to know what's going on with upcoming programs, you just go to BalloonCoach.com and check out what you can be a part of online or in person. And if you ever want to schedule a special one-to-one or come for one-to-one learning in Lakeland, Florida, you can email Joette, Joette, at BalloonCoach.com to specialize in one-to-one training. I look forward to helping you take your next step in growing your thriving balloon business. Have a great day.